This song is from the story of Naomi's life in the book of Ruth. And as many of you probably know, her life is a picture of loss and grief and heartache as she watches everything that her identity is wrapped up in get stripped away from her. She feels like God has done it to her, that he has stripped her and emptied her. And there's also a story of refilling as God takes her life and he does something beautiful through it. She thinks she's lost any hope for a future, for a family line. And by the end of the story, there's a baby in her arms that ends up being in the line of Messiah. And it's just a reminder that God has a bigger story that he's telling. It's bigger than our circumstances. And he has purpose for any pain that he allows to come into our lives. And that's the encouragement as we just see Naomi's life and see the way that she was emptied, but God refilled her with something even more precious than those things she clung to before. He refilled her with himself. So this is Naomi's song.
Blessing in my life and how much you love me. It all fell away, it crumbled slowly, disillusionment enfolded me. I had gone and fall and I came back empty, and I couldn't see through broken dreams, but I believe that you took my hands and you emptied them so you could fill them up with your presence, God. And you took my heart and you broke it in your hand so you could sew it up with your cords of love, with your cords of love. This journey started in the darkness, but something keeps my feet upon this road. No, the dawn soon is coming. The seed of hope is small and feeble, but in your hands I know that it will grow until the birds have a place to nest here. If I never see what you can see, still I'll believe that you took my